Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at 149 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of the 1-49 puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is quite interesting. First of all, you have to remove all parts from the frame, like that. Then you will notice that the frame has numbers from 1 to 49. The next step will be to grab this piece that has a circle engravement. Next, you put this piece around any of the 49 numbers, any one you want, like starting from 1 to 49. And then you just have to fill the gaps with the rest of the parts so that you will be able to put absolutely all puzzles inside of the frame, which will be quite difficult since the parts are all unique. They have different shapes and you have to find a specific spot for each and every piece. Like for now, I already made a mistake. There is no part that I can fit here, but actually it will be quite a difficult task to solve this puzzle right now. So I'm not gonna even attempt to do so. I just gonna put some of the parts in just to show you that it is a really difficult challenge. And if you like puzzles with multiple challenges, it will be something that you really enjoy, since you can solve this puzzle again and again and again until you will be able to find all solutions that will allow you to solve the puzzle 49 times. If you like the 1-49 puzzle and you want to buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.